Hi, I'm Elsie, a registered lactation consultant. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid when breastfeeding your baby at night. The first is overstimulation. Loud sounds, bright lights, or jarring movements really disturb even adults' ability to sleep calmly and can change baby sleep patterns altogether. When your baby stirs for feeding or diaper needs at night, keep the lights as low as possible. Music or sounds should be very, very low, cyclical, and soothing. Try to maintain the room temperature to something steady and comfortable. Smooth, fluid, repetitive movements can keep baby calm and focused on rhythmically nursing at the best. Remember, the goal is to finish feeding your baby before you put them back to sleep. That's important. The next is one-stop shop snacking stations. Keep everything you need where the baby is going to be breastfed. So, if they are in your room or yours or any other room in the house, have a bag or a basket with a foldable diaper pad, diapers, warm wipes, feeding accessories, and anything else you might need right where the baby is. Include a quiet snack and a drink for yourself while breastfeeding too. It will help. The last is safe support for yourself. Because many parents are as sleepy as babies while they are breastfeeding at night, it's likely you will both be drowsy during your night feeds. Keep the area safe. Use upright, arm-supported breastfeeding pillows that are very firm so that you cannot drop the baby during your feed positioning. Use bedding that is clear and safe with no suffocation risks. Try armchairs that are very sturdy and have no space for the baby to slip between you and the furniture. And lastly, no sofas, soft mattresses, waterbeds, or anywhere else the baby may get stuck down and unable to breathe. Try alarms that vibrate or other soft ways to wake you and put the baby back to bed calmly. These are just the basics for rookies and reminders for tired veterans. Let us know other questions you have about breastfeeding at night.